Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin on a cool, shaded panel so products behave predictably. Rinse the area to remove grit. This prevents scratches when you wipe. Apply a 110 CAR shampoo solution and gently glide a clean microfiber towel across the paint, short, overlapping passes. You're removing oils and basic residues, not polishing yet. This prepares the surface so subsequent products bond evenly. Once done, pat dry with a separate microfiber cloth to avoid reintroducing contaminants. You now address persistent fingerprint oils that survive washing. Mist a 10-25% isopropyl alcohol solution or a paint prep spray. This breaks down organic oils without stripping all protection. If you still feel tackiness, use a clay bar with a lubricant. Work with light pressure and short strokes to avoid marring. Frequently knead the clay to expose a clean surface. Make sure to inspect under angled light. Repeat the alcohol prep on any stubborn spots until the surface feels slick and clean. You finish by restoring protection. Apply a thin layer of sealant or wax. Follow the product's cure time and buff with a fresh microfiber pad in gentle circular strokes to blend edges. This locks out future fingerprint oils and evens the sheen. If fingerprints reappear or staining remains, reclean the spot and consider a mild polish to remove microscopic etching. Only then reseal. One tip: if you see haze, it's usually excess product. Wipe with a clean cloth and rebuff to clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.